How to change your notifications ringtone on your Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Facebook notifications ringtone. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it, and now click on the profile. Scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. And you have the second option, which is Messenger ringtone. Click on it, and now you choose one of those, and for example, and you choose whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.